So guys, I'm going to do some banana dumpling with curry chicken. And guys, I'm going to take a little time to talk to you about cooking curry chicken. Because when you're cooking your curry chicken, if you do not know the type of season to put on that chicken, it's not going to taste nice. So you have to know there are techniques in cooking. I have passion cooking, guys. I'm cooking from I'm 10 years old. I love to cook. It's a passion for me. So guys, when you season your meat, you don't have to season the meat even overnight for your meat to taste nice. You just want to know the type of season to put on that meat for that meat to taste nice. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to clean up my meat. So I'm going to remove all the fat. The first thing I'm going to get in, salt. Half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to get in the curry. Mixed spice. A small amount of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is very spicy, you know. A small amount. Paprika, a small amount. Some black pepper. Some chicken season. I'm going to put in my pimento seed. I'm going to mix it. So look on it. You say take a season. I don't put away some marinade. You see it, look. So we're going to get in small. You know, curry have a taste of pepper. Put a small amount. We're going to cut up our scallion very fine. Oh, the pepper smells nice. Scotch bonnet pepper smells very nice. A very seasoned pepper, you know. When you use scotch bonnet pepper, it's very seasoned your meat. This onion is very big, we're not going to use all of it. going to mix in. Guys, when you season your meat away here now and you put it away to marinate, you know, for 20 or 30 minutes, you know, you don't want it to finish. I almost forget my garlic, and you can't forget the garlic, you know, for it's the one who tender down the meat, making meat soft and nice, and put in your garlic inside of it. So I'm going to put it away now to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to go and prepare my banana dumpling. So guys, I'm going to peel my banana. So I'm going to peel. I'm going to put it into the water. The plate and put it into the water, it stay pretty and it don't get black. Oh, this banana. I need to remove this. Gonna one have no stain on it, you see? No stain on it. When you use the oil, I have no stain on the hand. So guys, they're going to take it from the water. Go ahead and grate it. You remove it. Remove it off. And this is what made dumpling. I'm going to scrape it off inside here to make the dumpling. To use 2.5 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix. Before I add any water to it, make sure the banana mix out with the flour. So look, you're going to get all of the flour with the banana. And when you mix out all of the flour with the banana, you're going to get a small amount of water. I'm going to mix again. Look when you say getting soft. So that's why you have to use a small amount of water each time. You put a next small amount. And you mix. The water is on for the dumpling, so we're going to get in a small amount of salt. I'm going to see how much dumpling I can get out of it. So there's 6 dumplings.